Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enter a one-time boot menu on this laptop. So to do that, press the power button once in order and make your power indicator turn on, and then start repeatedly pressing F7 key until the boot menu appears on your screen. To navigate in boot menu, you can use down and up arrow keys. The white option is the selected one, so select the option that you want to boot into using enter, and to exit this menu press escape button. I'm gonna boot into Windows Manager, and this will boot me straight into the Windows. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.